Hello everyone, in today's episode I will show you how to connect UT3G eGPU with AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT card to Lenovo Legion GO computer using Thunderbolt 4 port. If you have a card from NVIDIA, please check out the dedicated guide on my channel because configuration looks a bit different there. You will find link in description under this video. Lenovo Legion GO works without problems together with AMD card and nothing stands in your way to add some power using eGPU and enjoy games in higher resolution and greater details. At the beginning, as usual, I would like to point out that before you connect everything, it is worth to prepare. First of all, you need to update the Lenovo Legion GO BIOS to its latest version and also update the Windows system and all critical drivers and applications. Additionally, you need to ensure the stability of operation using a good quality power supply. In my case, traditionally it is Asus ROG Thor 850 watts. Thanks to the fact that it is a modular power supply, you do not need to connect all the cables, only those required for eGPU and graphics card. I bought UT3G in a raw state without an additional casing, but it seems to me that it looks nice on the desk this way, so it has stayed that way. Connecting all the cables does not cause problems. Between the power supply and eGPU there is a traditional ATX 24-pin cable, while for the graphics card we use two 6+2-pin cables. Lenovo Legion GO has two Thunderbolt 4 connectors, and for this reason you do not need additional accessories, as in the case of MSI Claw. One port is used to connect to the eGPU and the other for power. It is also worth having an external monitor, which will of course be connected directly to the graphics card. Okay, so when it comes to the first startup, I recommend doing everything calmly without rushing and clicking too fast. At the beginning you need to start Lenovo Legion GO, but without the eGPU connected. Log into the system and wait until all applications start. Then you need to connect the Thunderbolt 4 cable and wait. For me it took about a minute before the system recognized and initially installed the card. If the image appears on the external monitor, it means that the eGPU is correctly recognized and works properly. Now you need to find the right driver for the graphics card on the AMD website and perform the installation. When it comes to the basic configuration, nothing more needs to be done. So now I will start Cyberpunk and see how this configuration can handle 5120 by 1440 resolution and also with ray tracing enabled.
Destroy the Scott sucker.
Protect your implant! You like grenades?